How to turn $1,000 into a wealth-building foundation. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate question. How do you turn $1,000 into a foundation for building wealth? Stick around because this $1,000 could be the start of something life-changing. But first, it depends on one important thing. Is this the only $1,000 you'll invest, or do you plan to keep adding more over time? Let's start with the first scenario. You only have $1,000 to invest, and that's it. You're planning to let it grow for the next 10 years. Maybe you're considering putting it in the stock market or even riskier assets. First of all, congratulations! You've already done more than most people, saved up that initial $1,000. But here's the truth. Placing this money in the stock market might not be the best idea if it's your only investment for a while. Imagine the stock market has an amazing year. Let's say a 25% return, which is 15% higher than the average. Sounds great, right? But on $1,000, that's just $250 in profit. That won't change your life. Now, what about a savings account or a certificate of deposit, CD? Bad news there too. Savings accounts today average around 0.33% interest. Your $1,000 will turn into about $1,106 after 5 years. CDs fare slightly better at 1.37%, growing your money to $1,068 over the same period. But let's be real, that's barely enough for a new pair of sneakers. So what's the solution? Instead of parking your money somewhere and waiting, invest in yourself. As Warren Buffett famously said, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Learn a new skill, take a course, or attend seminars. Skills like marketing, coding, or design are highly valuable in today's economy. By increasing your earning potential, you can make more money to invest in the future. Now let's say you have $1,000 to start with and plan to add a portion of your income every month. This opens up way more opportunities for building wealth. First, there's the stock market. But instead of investing in individual companies like Tesla or Google, which can be risky, consider index funds. These are baskets of companies that provide steady growth with less risk. Index funds like VIAWU or SPI track the top 500 US companies. If the US economy grows, so does your investment. Or if you're into tech, check out funds like VGT or QQQ, which include giants like Microsoft and Google. And for those who want regular payouts, dividend-focused funds like VYM or SDY are great options. A pie chart showing growth over time with consistent contributions. The key here is consistency. Take 10 to 15% of every paycheck and invest it automatically. As Buffett puts it, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. This strategy builds wealth over time without you having to think about it. If stocks aren't your thing, you can explore real estate. While $1,000 isn't enough to buy a property, platforms like crowdfunding real estate let you pool money with other investors. Or consider REITs, real estate investment trusts, which pay dividends from rental income without requiring you to own physical property. Not ready to invest? Then the best use of your money might be paying off high-interest debt. As Buffett says, you can't make progress in your financial life borrowing money at 18 or 20%. Paying off debt is like earning a guaranteed return. If your loan has a 4% interest rate, paying it off early is like getting a 4% return on your money. Plus, you'll free up more cash every month to invest in the future. So whether it's learning a new skill, starting a side hustle, investing in the market, or paying off debt, there's always a way to make your money work for you. Remember, the journey to wealth isn't about where you start, but the steps you take to keep moving forward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more tips to grow your wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.